Hey there. Have you ever had a friend who made you feel more alone than supported? Yeah, me too. Let me tell you a quick story. A couple of years ago, I had this friend. Let's call him Z. We laughed together, hung out almost every day, shared secrets, dreams, all of it. But little did I know, the moment things got tough for me, Z disappeared. Just poof, like I never mattered. It hurt. It really did. And that's when I realized not all friends are real. So today I'm sharing 6 things only fake friends do so you can spot the red flags before it's too late. Let's jump in. 6 things only fake friends do. Number 1, they only come around when they need something. Ever notice how some people only text you when they want a favor? Maybe it's, hey, can you cover for me? Or can you help me with this real quick? But when you need support, crickets. That's not friendship. That's convenience. Number 2, they disappear when you're struggling. A real friend sticks around when life gets hard. A fake one? They vanish the moment things aren't fun anymore. Oh, you're feeling down? Let's talk another time. Sound familiar? It's in your darkest moments that you truly see who's real. Number 3, they talk behind your back. This one stings the most. You confide in them, and they turn around and use your secrets as gossip fuel. I once found out Z had told others about something deeply personal I shared. I felt betrayed, exposed, like I couldn't trust anyone anymore. Real friends protect your name in rooms you're not even in. Number 4, they make you feel small. Fake friends have this sneaky way of belittling your achievements. You get excited about something, they roll their eyes or give you a dry cool. It's like they're threatened by your growth. You deserve people who clap when you win, not compete. Number 5, they copy you, but never credit you. They take your ideas, your style, your words, and make it theirs. But when someone compliments them, they act like it was all them. This might seem small, but over time, it chips away at your confidence. It's not admiration, it's identity theft. Number 6, they gaslight you. This is the most toxic trait of all. Fake friends will hurt you, and when you call them out, they'll say you're being dramatic. Or worse, they'll turn the blame around. You're too sensitive. I was just joking. You start questioning yourself, your reality, your worth. That's not friendship. That's emotional manipulation. If any of this hit home, you're not alone. We've all been burned by fake friends at some point. But here's the thing. Their actions say more about them than they ever will about you. Don't chase people who make you feel hard to love. Instead, protect your energy and surround yourself with people who make you feel safe, supported, and seen. If this video helped you spot the signs, hit that like button. And if you've dealt with fake friends, share your story in the comments. Let's support each other. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest, heart-to-heart videos like this one. You deserve real friendship. Thanks for watching.